So in this video we'll work on the about me section. So after the showcase section, let's begin a new comment about me. Now I'm going to create a section with the class about me, and also I'm going to give it a margin, the utility class mgtb, which adds a margin 80 pixel, 80 or what, 100 pixel top and bottom. Now inside the section I'm going to create a container, and inside this container I will have a row. Now inside this row I'll have a h4 with a class header and also class center. So these are materialized classes. Now inside this I'll have a strong tag and I'll write about me. So let's see. So we have the header. Now after this I'm going to add two break statement, so 1 and 2. So after this row I'll create another row. So this row will have 2 columns. So on larger devices it will take up 6 columns, 6, and on smaller devices it will take up 12 columns. So inside this row I'll create a div with a class call, then L6 and S12. These are Materialize Css classes. Now I'm going to copy this and paste it one more time. Now in the first div I'll have an image. So image source is going to be assets, and we have pic.jpg. Now in the another div, let me add a class to this about content, because we'll use this to style it. So first I'm going to create a h4 tag and I'll write hi, I am. Then I'm going to create a strong tag, and inside this I'll write Charlie Smith. So after this I'm going to create a h5 element with the class called light. So this is a materialize class, and here I'll write I am a professional grapher. Then I'll have some paragraph. So P. Now I'm going to copy the text from here. Let's copy this, paste it. Again I'm going to duplicate this one more time. So Shift, Alt and down arrow, it will duplicate it. Now for the third para, because it has some less text, so I'm going to copy this one more time and paste it here. I need to add some classes to a paragraph. So class light, copy this. So let's see. So now I'm going to add the icons, social icons. So after the paragraph, create a div with a class icons. Now inside this I'm going to use font awesome icon. Open up your browser and search for font awesome CDN. Here go to this website cdnjs.com and copy this first link. Click on here, copy link tag, go to your head tag and paste it here. So we have added font awesome icons. Now let's add the icon itself. So the first one, the icon will be inside a tag, so a href. Now here I with the class fab fa Facebook square, and also a class fa 2x. So this is going to increase the size of the icon. So let's see. Oh, I need to remove this. Let's save. So we have the Facebook icon. Similarly, I'm going to add the icons for Twitter, YouTube and Instagram. So what I'm going to do is just copy this 3 more times and change the text. So this one will be Twitter, this will be YouTube, this will be Instagram. So let's save. So we have all the icons. So we have added the markup. Now let's style it. Open up style.css, and after the carousel begin a comment about me. I'm going to target the about content class, and I'll add a padding, top and bottom 0 pixel and right and left 50 pixel, important. So we have this padding. Now I'm going to target the icons. So icon I'll add margin right 20 pixel. The color is going to be white, so #FFF, and margin top will be 20 pixel. Let's see. Now I'm going to style the image. So about me img, I'm going to add a border left, the color will be teal 20 pixel solid, and border bottom color is going to be teal 20 pixel and solid. So let's see. So we have the border. So this is the about me section. Why the margin is not working here, let me check. So I have misspelled it. So MBTB, it will be MGTB. Let's save this. So we have the margin. So this is the about me section, and in the next video we'll work on this portfolio section.